Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Data Stream Academy. So today we are going to learn how to create a free account in AWS. So as you all know, AWS, Azure and all these cloud providers give you free account with a certain limit. In case of Azure, they would give you a credit amount which you would be able to purchase the resources and use for a certain period. So in case of AWS provide the services into three categories. So this is where like you have to type aws.amazon.com/free. You will redirect it to this website, or you can search for AWS account creation. You would be redirected to the same page. So we have to click on create free account in order to create an account. But here, before we creating an account, I just wanted to take you through few information about this free account. So there are three types of offers which you would get when you are going to take a free tier AWS account. So that is, one is free trials, second one is 12 months free, always free. So what does that mean, right? So you can see here like free tier 12 months free, right? So that means like these resources. So let me check, only filter the trial, right? This machine learning, SageMaker, AppStream, Amazon Light Sale, these services are free trial. That means like they are trial for they will give you a specific limited amount of resources, like maybe it is for 2 months, it's for 40 hours, which you can use, which is free, but if you exceed that time you have to pay. But in case of always free, this is like a 1 million lambda this thing, 25 GB of Dynamo DB is always free, and some of the services are free for 12 months. So this EC2 is for 750 hours is free for 12 months, and S3 bucket is 5 GB is free for 12 months. If you are going beyond 12 months, you need to pay or you need to terminate the service. So this is very high level, like you can filter it out and see which service which you are looking for and what category does it come like. So if you are looking for compute, EC2 is the compute instance where you can configure the CPU and all these things. If you are familiar with AWS, you will be able to relate to these topics like EC2, Lambda, Light Scale, Elastic Container and all these things. So these are in compute. And databases, our favorite topic, that is RDS, DynamoDB, Elastic Cache, and database migration services and memory DB. So we have so many options Amazon Document DB, so that is with a MongoDB capability. Neptune DB is like Amazon own database system, Keyspace. So there are many options. So if you go to next page, also you have a couple of options. So we can, like, if you come to this site, you will also be able to learn different services or services and tools which AWS is providing. But our primary goal is not to do that. Our primary goal is to create a free account in AWS. So let us click on the create free account link here in the same page. So it redirects us to portal.aws.amazon.com. This will be a console which will be popping up. If you want, you can also use the C link directly. You will be redirected to here. But in my case, I wanted to show you the different services and a type of services which like AWS provide. That is why we went to the previous page. So here in my case, I do not have an AWS account. I am going to create an AWS account. So root user email ID used to the account recovery as it described in the privacy notes, like in case everything is go. So we are going to create this for Data Streams Academy. So I would name this as like a Data Stream Academy, and I'll click on verify email address. This verify email address would send a verify email to my Data Streams Academy email. I'm waiting for that. So before that, they need to, it's not that interesting, so type NW233, click on submit. So we send an email to the verification code to this one, and then the below confirmation code here. So we have got an email here. Now when you reply, so this is my code. It's a one-time code. So I have entered that verification code here. I clicked on verify. It's your email address has been verified. So I need to give a root password. I'm giving a root password. So now continue to step 1 of 5. So we have to go through 5 steps to complete this. Not now. Yeah, so they are talking about the same free tier offers which we talked in the previous page. So now it is asking some information like business for your work, school or organization. So we are doing this for personal, for your own project. Whom should we contact about this account? So I can say you can contact Summit, and where is India. Yeah, so we need to fill this address. I would just fill that, and you can click on agree. So also provided my contact information there. I clicked on next. So now what we have to do, we need to give the billing information. However, we know that this is free. We have to provide our billing information. That means like we need to provide our credit card information or debit card. I think credit card is recommended. You can use your credit card information, which you need to fill here. So this you have to provide your CVV and cardholder name. So you need to save this card information. Then like we need to verify the account. So I'll be providing my card information here. Then we'll come back to the video. Yeah, once you provide your card information, it will also ask for the PAN number. You can either give no if you're not interested. So once you fill those information, it will charge you 2 Indian rupee from your card. So that is for enabling the auto debit. So once that amount is deducted, like it will ask for OTP. Once the amount is deducted, you will redirect it to this page. This is step 4. So it is asking me the primary purpose of this account registration. Choose one of these applies. So academy, business, government, official, personal use. I can give it personal use. And ownership type, choose your ownership relationship with the account based on the selection. So you will have company. This is not a company. So we are going to do this for individual. So you can give the individual option. So yeah, we need to provide some document here which would validate the individual, to make sure that this is the person who is trying to create the account. So you can see, you can give any of this account. Either you can provide your PAN card information, date of birth. So we have few more options: PAN card, voter ID, driving license, passport. You can choose any of this. And we also need to upload the front page of this PAN card information here, and we have to select the full name. We have provided the name there, right? So please, you can fill this information. I'll be filling this for myself, so I don't want to show the PAN card number and everything, right? So once that is filled, I'll click on next, and we'll get back to the video. Yeah, once you upload your PAN card number for identity verification, you also need to upload the first page of your PAN card. So after that, you have to like sign a consent. That's a check mark saying that AWS can share this information with the third party to verify my identity. So once that is provided, we will be reaching into this step where that's again like you have to provide your contact information for validating the phone number. So I'll be providing my phone number, then waiting for an SMS to validate the identity here. Yeah, in order to send that, I need to fill this DYC CX87. So it should be sending a message to me. It's a verification code. So once the verification code is received, we will be proceeding to next step. Yeah, we have received the verification code. I am moving to the next step. So select the support plan. Choose the support plan for your business or personal account. So basic support is free, recommended, because like you can, this is support plan, not the actual plan. Like what kind of support which you are expecting from AWS. If it is a business purpose, you need a better plan for the immediate. You have all this information which you can go through. Since I am not planning to get any support at this point, I can give basic support which is totally free. I can click on complete sign up. So we will land into this page saying that congratulations, thank you for signing up. So that means like our AWS account is created. You can click on the go to AWS management console. This is going to take us to the AWS console page where you will have the resource information. Yeah, so we have landed into the console page. Like you can see which are the recently visited services, which region we are in. Like this is the region here, we can choose which region we are in, and this is my account at Stream Academy. And here one thing which we need to keep in mind, at this point I haven't created any resources or services or anything, but when I start using, I have to be conscious, because we know like there are free trial and 12 months free. So if you are like using trial, at some stages it will start charging you. So we have to be like, in some of the services like SageMaker and all, we should be stopping after using. So since the account is, our credit card is already linked, it will be auto charged. So we should always be conscious about billing, and we need to like restrict the billing and all these things. Those things can be covered in another video. Hope this is helpful, and this video would definitely help you how to create AWS account. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.